Hey everybody, today we are going to talk about bacon. I mean bacon. Bacon? Bacon. Someday bacon. Can you tell I might love bacon? Okay, I do love bacon. But today what we're going to do is I am going to show you how to make perfect bacon. Yes, I said perfect bacon. And we're not going to put it in a skillet and fry it in a skillet. We're going to kick that bacon up several notches. And we're going to make what actually my best friend termed a long time ago, years ago. I believe it was somewhere around 2007, 2008, 2000, I don't know. It was a long time ago. One of my best friends called it crack bacon. And so it's pretty much always stuck. And I've been making crack bacon, as he calls it, for a long time. I mean, I've been making it for a while. And it's never changed. I've kept it the same the entire time I make it. I'm telling you what, it's excellent bacon. He called it crack bacon because he says you try it once and you can't stop. You're hooked, you're addicted. And that's why he called it crack bacon. So anyway, I am going to show you how I make and have made for years crack bacon. So let's get to it. Let's make some bacon. All right, so all you are gonna need to make the best bacon you've ever had. Oven's ready. Anyway, first off, you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Prepare a baking sheet with a wire rack. All right, and no joke, spray your wire rack with some cooking spray. You'll thank me later, okay? So, line it with aluminum foil just to ease up in the mess. Unless you love scrubbing pans, I'm not that guy. I personally, I want my cleanup to be as easy as possible. You'll need a bowl. I use a large bowl. I'm not going to do a huge amount of bacon today. It's about a pound, thick sliced bacon. And you're going to need some brown sugar and some cayenne pepper. This you're going to use however much you want. I kind of like it a little bit. I like to kick it up a little bit. I like to have a little bite to my bacon. So, let's get started, and first thing I'm going to do is, of course, put at least one glove on. Take your bacon, and this is, I get it at my local meat market, but it is a nice thick sliced bacon. Okay, it's a nice thick sliced bacon, good marbling. It's not super duper thick, but it's thick sliced bacon. All right, get it all in here, get them all separated. Okay, get all your bacon pieces separated so they're not all stuck together. And they're not going to be perfect because I'm telling you what, it doesn't have to look good. It only has to taste good. All right, now what we're going to do is throw in your brown sugar. Just throw your brown sugar in a bowl. It's all gonna stick to the meat. It's all gonna stick to the meat. All right. Then throw in some cayenne. And like I said, a little, a lot, whatever makes you happy. Okay. We'll go ahead and throw another glove on because now we're going to get to mixing. All right. Okay, so all you got to do is just start tossing it. Just start tossing it in there, rolling it around. Just get all the bacon coated, press it down in there a little bit, toss it around, press it, toss it around. You just want to make sure that all the bacon is coated all the way around. See, like that? It's got the brown sugar mix, brown sugar, cayenne pepper mix everywhere, okay? And just keep doing it until, I mean, a lot of times I'll just keep doing it because as the bacon warms, it'll sweat a little bit as it comes to room temperature. This literally is directly out of the refrigerator, it's cold. But as it comes to temperature, it'll sweat just a little bit, and then the brown sugar will definitely stick everywhere. But this is doing great. I mean, look at it. It's all coated. It's all coated nicely. Every once in a while, I'll just kind of pat it a little bit. Flip it around, pat it a little bit, flip it around, pat it a little bit. Okay? But that's it. It's done. It's ready. Okay? So now, let's grab our sheet pan with our rack in it. Okay? And then just take your slices of bacon and lay them on the rack. I'm going to bake it for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees. All right. Here we go in the oven. Rock and roll. See you in 35 minutes. All right, it's been 35 minutes. Let's see how delicious that bacon looks. Whoa, that was almost a disaster. There we go. All right, so here's the bacon. It looks pretty doggone good. And my suggestion, one, normally you would take bacon and put it on some paper towels to let it drain. Don't do that. Because once it cools, you're not going to, the paper's going to stick to the bacon. All right, so what I will do is, I got a sheet pan here. I lined it with some parchment paper. And I'm going to let it cool just a minute here. I'm not going to let it sit on there too long, all right? I'm going to let it cool a minute here, and then I'm going to put it on this sheet over here. Obviously, the fat has rendered off into our sheet pan here. The bacon wasn't sitting in it, okay? But believe me when I tell you that this bacon is beautifully cooked, okay? It is, I mean, it's, look at that. Here you go. There's this delicious bacon, all right? I want to eat that piece. That little piece right there. Oh my gosh. Mmm. That is amazing. It is so, oh my gosh, that's good. It's got a little cayenne kick to it. The sweetness of the brown sugar. I mean, this is delicious. I mean, it is just amazing. Look at that. Look at that. That is a beautiful piece of bacon. Mmm. 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 Now I can't stop eating it. Or talking with my mouth full. Oh my God. One of my pet peeves, I can't stand that. But this is so good. Mmm. You see, it's not sticking. That right there is delicious bacon. You've got to try this. Believe me, you will love it. Your family, your friends, they will love it. I'm going to keep eating this bacon. Everybody, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel. Please like my video. Drop me some comments. I love to see the comments. I love reading the comments and replying to the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more stuff, especially since I'm really not working right now. Gotta keep a positive attitude, right? Without a positive attitude, what else do we have? I mean, enjoy bacon. It's so good. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Love you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.